So guys, I have my GoPro Hero 5 Black Edition set at 4K at 30 frames a second. And just kind of as a temporary test, I just have an external battery just so I can record some footage, bring that to you, versus what the Ultra Dashcam shows you. True, this is 4K and the other is 2.7K, but the clarity should be there. Whatever camera you're going to use for a dash cam, you're probably going to have it at its highest setting. Otherwise, why did you buy that camera? It's kind of silly that they actually even do 720 as an option at, you know, lower frame rate and stuff. You're going to use whatever the highest frame rate is with the quality of picture like 4K. Now, if this camera could do like a Hero 6 4K at 60 frames a second, I would be choosing that. If it was a Hero 7 and has the hyper smooth, you know, I would do the 4K at 60 frames a second, and assuming the hyper smooth works with that. So anyways, as you could tell from my other Ultra Dashcam videos, signs seem to be blurry, cars, seems like if it's just out of the range, it's blurry. That's no matter if it's cold out, hot out. I've read some people say that, well, it's has problem focusing when it's hot. I have problems with it all the time. I wish it was only if it was hot. Nope. Hopefully the audio on the GoPro here is coming out. Otherwise I'll have to do a voiceover. But this is just to give you an idea of what it looks like when you're recording with the GoPro versus the Ultra Dashcam. How does it look? And I only paid $250 for this, and you can buy a dash. See, look at this guy. Wow. Just swerves on over. I don't know why the truck next to me is like stopping, because he wants over too. There's nothing going on up ahead. Yeah, the truck that wanted over now decided to stay on. There's no reason. Everyone panicked and jumped off. Of course, here we have, look at this guy. So here we go. We get good quality footage. Mr. BUQ 470, or maybe that's an O. It's always hard to tell those. But BUQ 470. I got some time. Let's see where he's going. Or I'll just go left. Now we'll see if you can read the signs in front, if they're pretty clear. If this light is clear, because as you notice in my Ultra Dashcam video, it's blurry. You know, it's not clear at all, nor are those signs. Still though, I'm wondering if I should have a rear camera. So anyways, I just figured I'd try the GoPro. Probably wouldn't actually use it as a dash cam because it's not set up for that, but it's almost a shame somebody like GoPro doesn't make a dash cam for 250 bucks that blows everyone out of the water. They already have the tech. It's kind of the software features need to be a little different, you know. Yeah, they have looping, but you know, automatically turning on and having a shock sensor and that type of stuff added to a unit that's just really a dash cam and not an action camera. I'd pay 250 bucks from GoPro if they made a good dash camera. You know, basically using their same system, but you're just using it not as an action camera, you're using it for a dash cam. And we'll continue straight. I'm actually interested to see how this looks on the computer. Just especially after I render it and put it on YouTube. You know, shooting through the windshield, how much clearer is there, and all that good stuff. For fun, let's go up here. Hey guys, I figured I'd do a voiceover in this area just because I've already shown a wide range of driving around, and you should be able to pause the video, look at signs, and see how crisp things are compared to the Ultra Dashcam. True, this GoPro Hero 5 Black Edition is filming at 4K at 30 frames a second, but that's no excuse for the Ultra Dashcam at 2.7 at 30 frames a second being so blurry compared to people I know that have a 1080 dash cam that is clearer. Now, I don't have one of those, so I can't bring you a comparison, but you can flip between my videos and others on YouTube and see. The GoPro is far superior, but you'll say, hey Mark, the GoPro retailed for $600 originally, even though I paid $250 for it. Well, that's true, but Yi also has action cameras, so there's no reason why they couldn't put their technology into a dash camera and have it be a really good dash cam. There's no reason why they couldn't do that, and it's pretty upsetting that the image is pretty blurry on the Yi Ultra dash cam, but yet somebody that has a $40, $50 dash cam filming at 1080 has a clearer picture than I do filming at supposedly 2.7K. So that is totally crazy on the Yi Ultra Dashcam's part for not being up to par. The only saving grace there is I didn't pay the $100. I got it as a Christmas gift because that's the camera I picked. But even so, I picked the camera and I'm not that happy with it. So my money is going to be on trying one of those $40, $50 units and probably getting just a lot better unit that has two cameras, front and rear, so I can get tailgaters and stuff like that. And I kind of went in this parking lot here just to kind of show people walking around what you would kind of see in a city setting, as you will see. And I did have to change the brightness because I had my GoPro Hero 5 set up totally different than normally, because I use it for riding. So I forgot I had the ISO set at 400. It was a little darker, so I had to lighten the video and stuff. But you can see it really picked up a bunch of colors and a bunch of clarity in the picture and various objects around, like that stop sign. And this setup works really good. It's just not a dash cam and doesn't have the dash cam features, if you know what I mean. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Have a good one.